Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you CanvasMind, an AI-powered whiteboard that brings together simulation, website generation, image generation, and drawing tool all in one place. This is like having a Figma, physics engine, and AI website generator and image generator merged in one single intelligent canvas called as CanvasMind. With CanvasMind, you no longer need multiple apps to sketching ideas, building prototype, generating image, testing physics concept, all will be done in one place. That is CanvasMind. Everything will be going to happen visually, interactively, and instantly using CanvasMind, which is powered by Gemini AI. As soon as app starts, we get an My Project screen where we can create a new project or use existing project. Whatever the existing project are shown on My Project section, that will be going to stored into your browser IndexedDB, which help to longer persist your project and which help us to use CanvasMind offline. Let me give a quick demo of entire project. As soon as we click on new project, we'll get an entire canvas where we have multiple features. So it offers the same feature as the any advanced whiteboard offers, like creating an object, creating a text, editing it, changing the shape of it, changing color of it, changing edges of it, uh, using as an handwritten mode. There are multiple things supported by this canvas. So you can check it out in demo also. So next feature is generative studio mode, where we get a generate, edit, and ask AI option, where ask AI help us to select an element from the entire canvas and ask a question about it. As shown in the demo, I selected 2, it answers the selected element to 2. And generate mode is help us to create an image using Gemini AI by selecting a type of art, by selecting an aspect ratio and giving a prompt about it. We can also give a negative prompts to exclude the same things. So I'm creating a Doraemon image by selecting a style sketch, aspect ratio 1:1. So it's created a Doraemon image. By selecting generated image or uploaded image, we can edit that current selected image as I'm showing in the demo. So we get a new edited image. Then we have a repo analyzer mode where we need to just upload a GitHub repo. It will generate the entire flow of it. Then we have a website builder mode where we can just, by using a prompt, we can build an entire mock websites or any kind of website so to show to any client if you want. So this is the entire website we get on the canvas and we can use it. For to use it, we can enable the interactive mode. There is also a source code download mode also, where we can download the entire generated website into a HTML format. So this is the download source mode. If I click on it, it will be going to download it. So whatever the website are generated, it will be going to stored into my website section. If you click on the generated website, we can also edit that generated website. So let's say, let me click the website. So generated website, I clicked. As soon as I click, I can edit that website. So let me change the color of the website to pink. So it will be going to change the entire website color to pink. So by just selecting the canvas or the website preview, we can edit it. Then we have a next mode called as AI simulator mode, where we can simulate any physics concept or any type of simulation, so that any teacher who can want to give an interactive session, he or she can able to give the interactive session. So as I am explaining one of the physics concept called as spring concept, so it generated the entire website. I can interact with the generated thing. I can also download the generated source code, selecting the simulation. We can also edit the simulation. Let me add increase decrease button, so it will be going to add it into the current simulation. Then we can also create a multiple simulations also, and that will be going to store in a simulation library, which can be used later on. So finally, we can export the entire stuff into a PNG format or HTML format, or we can select any particular thing, and then also we can able to export it. So this is entire CanvasMind. I hope you liked the entire demo. If you liked it, please hit like button. And if you have any doubt or any question about it, just drop your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching.